Hello, SakaFet. Hi, I'm Roma, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to make some curry chickpeas with potato. If you want to see how I make this recipe, guys, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. So here I have my chickpeas. Now I did soak them overnight, wash them really well, and that's what I have now. I have my potatoes, so I'm using two russet potatoes, medium size. And in here I have some chopped onions, garlic, green onions, some carrots, celery, and some parsley. I have some curry powder, some chicken bouillon, and some black pepper. And I think that's all I'm going to need, guys. If I need any salt, I will add it later after it's all done. I'm going to go over to the stove, guys. Come along with me and see how I put this all together. I'm going to get cooking. And this is some cooking oil. I'm just going to put it there. I just want to roast my curry a little bit. So just to take the rawness out of it. Okay, so not too much of the oil. And this is a light oil. It's sunflower oil. So I have added a tablespoon of curry powder, and I'm just going to roast it in the oil. Just bring it to a boil. Let it bubble a bit so it takes away the rawness. Okay, guys, so it's bubbling up. And look at that. So I think it's time to add my onions. I'm going to put the onions in there. Just let them cook a little bit. I want to get the carrots, but you know, after everything's going to go in there, but I just want the onions to cook a little bit, and the garlic. And this is such a great little dish. It's so easy to make, and it tastes so good. And you can have it by itself with some naan bread, or you can just have it on some plain basmati rice, and it is just a really nice simple dish. So I'm just going to put a little bit of water, just a drop, just so it doesn't burn. I don't want it to burn now. So now I'm going to put the rest of my veggies in there. All this going in there now. And give them a little stir. I'm just going to let it cook in there for a couple minutes, and then after that I will add my chickpeas and some water and the potatoes. Chickpeas, it's not going to take very long to cook, maybe about 35-40 minutes, because it was soaking overnight and practically half the day. So now I'm going to add my peas, and I'm going to add some water, and what I'm going to do is just cover it. Just cover them, so I'll get a little bit more water. I'm going to add my chicken bouillon. So I have about a teaspoon. And some black pepper. And then I will taste it later to see if I need anything else in there. Oh, you know what, guys? I would put some fresh thyme in that. Really good. So I'll get some fresh thyme too. So I have a sprig of thyme. Put that in there. And I'm going to cover this, bring it to a boil. And once it's boiling for about 5 minutes, I will add my potatoes to it. All right, guys. So look, my chickpeas is cooking up nice. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. I know I say that a lot, but it does smell good. So now I'm just going to add the potatoes to that. I'll put it up a bit, let it keep boiling. Give it a nice stir. Oh, and look at that. That's a really good vegetarian meal for people who maybe don't eat a lot of meat or any meat at all. Cover it up and let it slow cook. I'm going to turn the heat down. Yeah, and just let it simmer away until it's done. Oh, hi guys, our potatoes and chickpeas is ready. If you take a look, you can see that it's thickened up and not too much gravy, which is okay. So I'm gonna put a little bit, about a teaspoon more, like that. And what I'm gonna do next, add a little bit of butter, just a little butter to finish it off. And that's all there is to it. And there it is, guys, our delicious curry chickpeas with potatoes. Thank you for watching, and until next time, guys, have a great day and God bless.